Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a special day for Muslims around the world, the day of Arafat. So, let's dive right in. It's the 9th of Dhul-Hijjah, and we live from Aberystwyth Beach. Today is a sacred day for Muslims, known as the day of Arafat. It's a day of fasting, reflection, and prayer, and it's a significant part of the Hajj pilgrimage. I started my day by fasting and attended a little prayer before heading to this beautiful beach in Aberystwyth. However, the weather is a bit unusual for June. It's cold and windy, making it feel more like autumn than summer. But that doesn't stop us from enjoying this stunning view. It's now 4 p.m., and I'm sharing this live moment with you all. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. Remember, the day of Arafat is a time for Muslims to come together in unity, faith, and prayer. It's a day to reflect on our lives and our relationship with God. Let's use this time to reconnect with our spiritual selves and remember the importance of our faith. Thank you for joining me today on this special day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Stay connected, stay positive, and keep your faith strong. Until next time, take care, and remember to spread love and kindness.